another wheel project. Can you tell whether these wheels are old or new? I never asked these people what is wrong with the wheels on the train, of the cars. I think they are looking for a very specific factor, indicator that tells them that they need to replace the wheels. Whether the seal is worn, the lead seal is worn, that lubricates the wheels when they spin around the axle spins around the frame. This is like a rectangle minus a side sitting on the axle. So as you see here, he's just elevating the car with a jack, lifting it with a jack. And he will use that forklift with a long forks. He's sitting now in this fork. The other guy lifted the train with a jack, or maybe the same person. And these forklifts will go under, put the forks around, look carefully from the bottom, around the wheels. He might have a mechanism of tightening the forks together. So then he's going to tilt. Yes, tilt it back. That's it. That's it. He's going to clear his way out and bring him back out of this. And then he's going to do the other ones. So he took the two. I think this is the big ones. He's going to put them on the side. I don't think he will take them all the way to the back. He's just putting them on the side. Then he will take the new ones. The new one is the brown one that has rust on it. This is supposed to be new. And it has a sticker on it, so he has to scan the code. And he will make an angle and rotates and go exactly where the host, the slot that falls on. Then he's going to slide it, align it, bring it right, left, until he gets the axle exactly under the slot, the chassis of the car. Now you can move this wheel easily by pulling it. You can see the wheels are sliding on their own because they are on a leveled rail. So I think he's making perfectly aligned. When he jack it down, I think this, well, he's the same person. You can see it, he's pushing it with his own feet to align it. Then he's using a remote control in his hand to jack it down. He's bringing it down now. If you cross it, he's almost finished. Almost finished right here. You can get a middle school kid can do that. He's doing electronic and hydraulic controls. So he brought the lever he has in his hands. I think that is a brake lever. Once he kicked it up, now the wheel is installed. I think these two outside are the old ones. You can tell. You can look at them. Those are the old wheels. They are used badly. Well, they are used. I don't know how badly they are. I cannot tell you how badly they are. But you can tell they are shining silver on one side and black on the other. We finished now. We finished that. And I need to run. He's now taking the the hydraulic jack. He finished the job. He is taking the jack from the train, from under the train. And I don't know if he's going to use it to lift these wheels, or he's going to come back, make a U-turn here and move it on the top, or he's running away to do something else. No, he's making a U-turn and coming back with a big angle. No, he has another job to do. He has another job to do. Yeah, he's going to fix that other wheel. We are busy today.